I am Nakul. Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon for latest notifications. In this video, we will discuss about the Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event, all the products which were announced during the event, what are my thoughts about them, and everything you should know about it. So let's begin. Samsung kickstarted the year 2021 with its latest flagship smartphone lineup. In the lineup, it introduced three smartphones, namely the S21, the S21 Plus and the S21 Ultra. We will talk about them in detail in just a moment, so stay tuned. Alongside with the S21 lineup, Samsung also introduced the Pro version of the Samsung Galaxy earbuds. Alongside with it, Samsung also introduced the Smart Tags. Smart Tags are basically a tile competitor, and its only function is to find objects with which it is attached to via your smartphone. Let's begin with the S21 lineup. The three phones in the lineup are the S21, which has a display size of 6.2 inches, the S21 Plus, which has a display size of 6.7 inches, and the largest amongst the three, the S21 Ultra, which has a display size of 6.8 inches. All the three models have dynamic AMOLED displays which have a variable refresh rate option up to 120 Hz. But one thing to notice here is that the S21 and the S21 Plus models only have a resolution of 1080 pixel, whereas the S21 model comes with a QHD display. All the three displays have a hole punch cutout for the selfie camera, and also they have an improved version of under the screen fingerprint sensor by Qualcomm. The S21 and the S21 Plus are available in three color options: the Phantom Violet, Phantom Black and the Phantom Silver. And personally, I like the violet one the best. Whereas the S21 Ultra comes only in two color options, the Phantom Black and the Phantom Silver. All the colors come in matte finish and they look very refreshing. Also, the camera module at the back of the S21 and the S21 Plus looks very stylish and very clean, although the camera module of S21 Ultra looks a little bit cluttery. Now let's talk about the cameras. The S21 and the S21 Plus has four cameras, a 10 megapixel front facing selfie camera and three cameras at the back, which are a 12 megapixel wide camera, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and a 64 megapixel telephoto camera with up to 30x zoom capabilities. Whereas the S21 Ultra has a 40 megapixel front facing camera, an improved 108 megapixel wide camera with auto laser focus, a 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and two telephoto cameras of 10 megapixel each with 3x and 10x zoom capabilities respectively. Samsung has improved the quality of its cameras and also introduced many new features and advanced settings in the camera app. It has also introduced 8K recording feature, which is first in any smartphone, with super smooth mode for better stabilizations and better zoom capabilities. Now let's talk about the battery capacities of the three phones. The S21 has a battery size of 4000 mAh, the S21 Plus has a battery size of 4800 mAh and the S21 Ultra has the battery size of 5000 mAh. And in my opinion, the battery capacity is good and the phone should last you for a very long time. All the three phones support super fast charging, fast wireless charging 2.0 and also wireless power share, which lets you charge other devices or Galaxy earbuds with your phone. But a very important thing to note here is that the boxes of all these phones doesn't include a charging brick. Yes, first everyone mocked Apple for its bold move, but unfortunately everybody is now following the same trend of not including the charging brick with the smartphones. And honestly, I don't like this trend at all. A charging brick is a necessity and should be provided inside the box no matter what, or at least the company should provide you an option to select whether you want a charging brick or not without paying extra money for it. Now let's talk about the processor and the storage capacities. All the three models have the Samsung's latest processor, which is Exynos 2100, and the S21 and S21 Plus models has 8 gigs of RAM with storage options of 128 GB or 256 GB, whereas the S21 Ultra has RAM of 12 gigs or 16 gigs with a storage capacity of 128 GB, 256 GB or 512 GB as well. Samsung has also introduced the support of S Pen with this year's S21 Ultra model, although it is an accessory to your phone and you have to purchase it separately. It doesn't come out of the box. All the three phones also come with an IP68 water and dust resistance rating. Now let's talk about Galaxy Buds Pro. They come with active noise cancellation and you can choose between the active noise cancellation levels. They come with a two-way speaker system which will give you studio-like quality with 360-degree surround sound, which is enabled via Dolby head tracking, and it also supports Dolby Atmos. Battery life of Galaxy Buds is 5 hours with additional 13 hours with its wireless charging case. It also supports fast charging. The buds look very stylish and they are available in same color options as that of S21 lineup. Galaxy Bud is also water resistant and have the capability of sharing music with individual buds, and they also come with extra earbuds of different sizes. Let's wrap up the video with my impressions. I think all the products look very stylish and futuristic. There have been many improvements in various aspects as compared to the previous year's lineup. Also, there have been some downgrades, such as downgraded quality of the screen of S21 and S21 Plus. Also, the plastic back of S21 doesn't look that good compared to the other models. Samsung has reduced the prices of its smartphone as compared to previous year's smartphone, but in India the prices have increased for some reason. The S21 starts at 70,000 rupees, the S21 Plus starts at 82,000 rupees, and the S21 Ultra starts at 1,17,000 rupees, whereas the Galaxy Buds Pro start at an introductory price of 15,990 rupees. Samsung hasn't unveiled the price of Smart Tag in India, and all these products are available for pre-order right now. You can go at samsung.com to book one for yourself. Thanks for watching the video and give this video a thumbs up if you like the contents. Also, do let me know in the comments down below what do you think about the Samsung's event and all the products that were launched. Please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for latest notifications. Also, do follow me on my social media handles. I will provide the links in description below. Please visit my channel for more tech related reviews and share with your friends and family as well. This is Nakul signing off. Goodbye.